Go ahead.
Matt sat Sam. Sam sat Matt sat Sam sat sat. Matt sat on Sam. Sam sat on Matt. Matt on
No, go ahead. Matt.
sat.
Uh-huh. Sound it out.
Matt.
No, sound the letters out.
Sam.
Uh-huh.
What?
What letters are they?
Sat.
Uh-huh.
The end. See? Nothing.